If you are new, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today we will be going over GoPro Quik app. Quik works great with just your phone. Do you also own a GoPro? Select just my phone for now. Let's get started. Tap to select the shots you want to send to your mural. Selecting multiple shots will group them as an event and generate a highlight video. Let's try that out. So we're going to select this photo and this. You can tap to send to your mural. Add a title. Boom. Your shots are on your mural and they have been combined into a highlight video. You can change the look of your mural. You can also pinch to zoom in and out. Lastly, remember you can post images directly to Quik from your phone's camera roll, etc. Change the title. Now this is the video. Now this you will have to pay for. Subscribe now. Pretty much the same thing as before, except now you have the power of Quik, unlimited access to Mural, auto upload, live streaming, link sharing, and more. Unlimited editing, premium themes, unlimited filters, GoPro original music, and a powerful speed tool. So just $9.99 a year up front, or do the monthly plan for $1.99 a month, which adds up to $23.88 after a year. Down here you can also subscribe to GoPro. Start your free trial and subscribe. $49.99 a year or $59.88 for the monthly plan after a year. Tap here, see event details. Select an item. Boom. Share. Save to your phone. Continue. What if I want to share this? Go up here. Share media. Right here, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Or you can share with your messages. And boom. Let's slow down this clip right here. Boom. Let's do 2 speed to about here. Now this will be super quick. Boom. Down here you can create different stickers. Put the GoPro sticker up here. Maybe you want to share it to Instagram. Right here, if you have a GPS on your GoPro, you can put a speedometer, terrain, path, speed chart, altitude. Hit this, and you got to subscribe to save. And down here you can trim. If you want, you can add text. Down there's the text. Adjust, filters, all that, done. Let's say you want to edit this photo. Tap this little pencil icon down here. Click frame. You can rotate it. Flip. Let's do this. Let's do a crazy edit, okay? Let's do greenery. You get to subscribe to those. So let's just do essentials, cinema. And then you can adjust, automatic, press and hold to go back to what it originally was, which is this. And this is the new edit. Right here you can hit this. And now you can hit save, and guess what? You don't have to pay for it. If you're interested in a GoPro review, I have one here, and I also have an unboxing video over here. Thank you all for watching.